y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Ursula. I am your CEO of The Boutique by Ursula. Before we get into this video, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and make sure you click your notification bell just so you can be in the know as to what I'm bringing to you next. Now, we are a whole year later, and I am back with another birthday try-on haul. Y'all, my birthday is today is March 4th. My birthday is in 13 days, March 17th. I'm a St. Patrick's Day baby. And if you watch my birthday vlog from last year, you would know that I am very dramatic, extra, whatever you want to call it. No, I'm not dramatic. I'm a little extra. And I carry the theme out all the way. Because St. Patrick's Day, it's all about the green, the gold, the leprechauns, the four-leaf clovers, all of that good stuff. And this birthday collection is actually titled the Clover Collection. That's thanks to my daughter. She gave me that name. Thank you, Coco, for that. I have 7 pieces that I will try on for you today. And each of these pieces are a part of the Clover birthday collection, and they will be available on my website March 12th. And the same as last year, this year's theme, whenever I do this, it is the Kelly green, gold, and white, because those are the main St. Patrick's Day colors. So I am presenting to you 7 outfits that you can slay at any time of the year, because we are going into the springtime. And this color here, this Kelly green, it is a very popular popping color for the springtime. So these pieces will carry you from spring to summer. So I'm not gonna keep babbling, let's just get into it. Oh, last year I had a birthday brunch, but this year I'm having a birthday dinner. So let me know which piece you think I should rock for the birthday dinner. I'm beginning with a really cute t-shirt dress. The reason I'm going ahead and starting with this one, this dress has already been previewed in one of my TikToks, and I have been getting a lot of good feedback from it. I call her Lucky Charm t-shirt dress. Really cute. Now, what made me decide to go with a dress like this was because I've been getting feedback. They would like more casual dresses, a dress that they could dress down with sneakers, sandals, however you want to wear it. She has pockets. This is a very good plus for this dress. This is the back. I love the fact that she hits right at the knee. And this piece, although I'm wearing it and I'm showing you with a pair of sneakers, this dress can actually be dressed up. You can put a pair of heels on with this. She is perfect. This is very soft jersey knit material. Really, really comfortable. I'm wearing a size large. This dress comes from small to extra large. Lucky Charm t-shirt dress. Cute. Next up is this really cute Bodycon midi dress. I mean, y'all know I could not have a try-on haul without my favorite, Bodycon. But she is a strapless, as you can see, all white Bodycon midi dress. She has ruching from the top to the bottom. This is the back. But y'all, this dress, she is cute. And all white. And what I did was I worked the green in with my heels. Remember, St. Patrick's Day, green, white, gold. So that's where I was going with this. Look number 2. I am wearing a large, but actually, y'all, I could really size down in this. I could really wear a medium. Honestly, when I wear this type of dress, I want it fitted. Now, it looks fitted, don't get me wrong, and it is, but like up in here, it's still kind of loose. So, just to let you know, this comes in sizes, small, medium, large. I'm back with another midi dress. This one is a long sleeve Bodycon midi dress. Really cute. Y'all see the green with the blue. But when I saw this one, I knew I had to have her for the collection. I call her Shamrock. I look good. I'm wearing a size large. She comes in small, medium, large as well. She is a very lightweight, like almost kind of mesh-like material, but no, I'm not gonna say mesh. It's just very, very soft It's not a knit. I don't know what type of material it is, but it's really, really soft to touch. It stretches. She has lots of stretch. I love it. Really cute. This is the back. Listen, y'all know spring is coming up. Spring, we still have cool days. She is a perfect date night dress. She is serving body, yaddy, yaddy. That's exactly why I named her Shamrock I Look Good. I mean, because she will give you exactly what you need. She will hug your body in all the right places. So you definitely need to add her to your closet. And just in case I didn't mention it, I'm wearing a size large. All right, y'all. I call this beauty here Life of the Paddy. Y'all get it? St. Paddy Day. She is cute. I love it. Now I do have on my body shaper under this because she's mesh completely, like the way it is see-through. Let me see if I could turn it. She's see-through. She has holes going all up and down. Very, very light, soft material. Let me put the color back. Very soft material. She is kind of mini because she's above the knee. I don't know what y'all consider mini. This is mini for me because I like midi, which comes to the knee or below the knee. But this is a mini because she comes above the knee. This is the back. Now my thing may be passing a little bit. You can wear her however you want. You can wear her with just, if you want, just cute pair. I was thinking nude, like nude panties, nude bra, but yeah, I'm not that bold. I don't want to wear it like that. So I think like the one-piece yoga unitard. That's what I think I will go with under something like this. She comes in small, medium, large. I'm wearing a large. She is the perfect party dress. Like, really cute. I love it. Let me know in the comments which look y'all think I should rock for my birthday dinner. I call her Green Cocktail. I mean, you know, on St. Patrick's Day, when you go to a restaurant, when you get an alcoholic beverage, they're usually green. I'm not the only one that carries this theme out all the way. Restaurants, they do the same thing. So when you get beer, you get a tall green picture of beer, and you get green cocktails. So I call her Green Cocktail. She is cute, y'all. This is the back. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. I'm wearing a large. She has this drawstring that's right here, and this is actually a functioning drawstring. So when you pull her, it's going to tighten up your waistline. So at the bottom, she has a slight cuff, pockets, really cute. She kind of comes off the shoulder here. Now, I think if you wanted to, you could do both sides off the shoulder, but this is actually how I would like to wear it. One shoulder on, kind of give a little skin right here. Just a little bit of sass and sexiness going on. And this is it, Green Cocktail. She can be worn whether it's St. Patrick's Day, spring. Y'all see this? This is a really cute spring color. Kelly Green is in this season. So when she hits the website, I advise you to snatch her up. All right, we're almost done, but not until I show y'all this really cute wide leg jumpsuit. Now, last year, if you watch my birthday vlog, you will see and you will notice that this is the same color, same print, same pattern. However, they are different. The jumpsuit last year was more tight fitted. It had elastic around the waist. This is wide leg, really cute. She has pockets. This is the back. She falls slightly off the shoulder, not all the way, but just enough to give you a little bit of skin right here. And she is a very soft jersey knit material. She comes in sizes small, medium, large. I am wearing a large. I call her Zero Lux Given. Really cute. I have on sandals with this one. I have on sandals, I ain't passing them all the way, but when I tried it on with heels, and I'm not a very tall girl. I'm only 5'3". And when I tried it on with heels, it didn't do what I thought it would do. It kind of started looking like it was really short. So I would say she is not very tall girl friendly. Unless you don't mind wearing it to where it gives you that crop look. I mean, it would still be cute, you would still slay, but I would definitely rock this jumpsuit with some sandals. So, zero lux given, baby. All right, we have come to the last look of the day. Y'all know I could not have a collection without our #1 seller, which are the legging sets. I could not do this without bringing y'all a legging set. Now, I could not do this without bringing y'all a legging set. This time, the legging set has short sleeve. They have a little bit of a cuff to it. She is Kelly green, side slits right here, and we call her Mellow Out. This is our Mellow Out legging set. I'm serving monochromatic vibes here. Have the Kelly green sandals with the matching legging set. Like, all that noise is gonna get picked up. Our legging sets comes in small, medium, large, and extra large. I am wearing a large. She is very comfortable. If you have already purchased a legging set, then you already know what type of material we're bringing. The quality of the legging sets are A1. I mean, very soft. It feels so good against the skin. She is a really cute outfit that can be dressed up or down. Like, you see me wearing it right here with a pair of sandals. You can put a pair of sneakers on. Depending on where you're going, put a pair of heels on. I mean, you can do that. I'm telling you, you have to add her to your wardrobe. Really cute. Remember, this is the spring color. Perfect spring outfit. Perfect. This was the last look of the Clover birthday collection for Shop the Boutique. If you are not following my boutique page on Instagram, go ahead, give me a follow at shop_the_boutique. I have changed my enhanced beauty page on Instagram. I am now theboutique_Paddy. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. It really matters in our YouTube world. And don't forget to leave me a comment of the outfit that you think I should wear for my birthday dinner. I gave you all 7 looks. So let me know by just simply saying #1, #2, 3, and so on. Remember, the birthday collection will be on the website. Go ahead and sign up for our email list at shoptheboutique.com. And also sign up for text message alert. The number is right here on the screen. All you have to do is text join 22 and you are in. Type yes and you will start receiving messages. We'll conclude this birthday try-on haul. Remember, my birthday is March 17th. So thank you all for tuning in, and I will catch you in the next video.